Kami yung anak eh, ba't kami nagmamatigas?
Lingid sa kaalaman ng nakararami, may ilang taon na ring hindi nag-uusap sina Dominic at ang ama nitong si Bembol Rocco. May ibang pamilya na ngayon si Bembol at aminado si Dominic na hindi pa rin niya tanggap ito.
Yes, kasi the past 5 years, it's been like that. So, I guess we should treat it like that. Hindi lang naman ako eh. Kahit naman mga kapatid ko may mama. Yeah. And like I said, there is no perfect family. Everything happens for a reason. Tanggap na namin yun eh. He's been trying, kasi alam ko. Pero iba lang talaga eh. It's really, iba kung ikaw yun nandun eh. So, yeah, alam ko he's been trying to fix things. Pero wala eh. The damage has been done.
Masasabi ba ni Dominic na kahit papaano napatawad na niya ang kanyang ama?
Sabihin natin, time heals everything. Pero it's not the right time yet. Kasi it's still there. The pain's still there. So, bakit ko pipilitan na kalimutan yung mga ganun? Siyempre, nalulungkot ako. Every day I think about it. Diba? Yeah, every day I think about it. Pero wala rin ako magagawa. At least, ako, I'm happy na growing up, I still had him. Some families, they didn't have a father. Some families, they, diba? So, I'm still thankful na kahit pa paano, I still had him.
Ilang Pasko na ang lumipas na wala silang komunikasyong mag-ama.
Wala. Hindi. It's vice versa lang. Ewan ko. Kami yung anak eh. Ba't kami nagmamatigas? Siya yung tatay eh. He should be the one covering the family, protecting the family. Where is he? It's not with us. Oo, diba? Ano lang?
Lahat daw ay ginagawa ni Dominic para maitaguyod ang kanilang pamilya at para matulungan din ang kanyang ina.
Everything I do right now is for my family talaga and for my mom. I just want to give everything back to my mom kasi sa sobrang hirap na pinagdaanan niya for us. Gusto ko lang kahit pa paano treat her like she's supposed to be treated. Yes, she deserves a happy life. She deserves to be happy.
Sa nangyari sa kanyang pamilya, tila ayaw na raw ni Dominic na magpakasal.
I don't believe in marriage that much now kasi things happen eh. So, I'm scared na baka mangyari sa akin and I don't want a family to experience that pain. So, sa ngayon, I don't want to get married.
Masama man ang loob ni Dominic sa kanyang ama. Malaki pa rin daw ang paghanga at utang na loob niya kay Bembol.
Oo, sa pagdating sa arte, I admit it, my dad is really great in acting. He's really good. Given it. If it weren't for my dad, I wouldn't be in showbiz, that's for sure. If it weren't for my dad, I wouldn't have the talent, that's for sure. So, everything that I have, everything that I am, it's because of my dad din naman.
May mensahe ba si Dominic sa kanyang amang si Bembol?
Honestly, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
It's Christmas. Wala kami greetings.
Merry Christmas? What else can I say?